Unit 17. Khamdy learns about friendship. Unit 17 is about how Teacher Phonekeo helps Khamdy learn about friendship, using a social story to teach how to make friends, educating the school community about friendship, developing group identity, teaching prosocial behaviours through role-playing, and other strategies as described in this unit. During recess, Khamdy sits alone at the corner of the school field. Somsuk and Devan came to say hello, but Khamdy does not respond to them at all. Teacher Phonekeo notices this and shows Khamdy how to respond to greetings. Teacher Phonekeo approaches them and says hello to Somsuk and Devan. Then she tells Khamdy to say hello to them too. Hello, Somsuk and Devan. Khamdy, say hello to Somsuk and Devan, said Teacher Phonekeo. Hello, Somsuk and Devan, said Khamdy. Teacher Phonekeo knows that children with ASD like Khamdy may need direct instructions to learn social skills, such as making friends. In a private counseling session with Khamdy, Teacher Phonekeo uses a social story that she created to talk to about friendship and ways to make friends. Developed by Carol Gray, social stories are stories with information and pictures resembling a child's real-life experience. Social stories can be used to help the child learn what to expect, how to behave, and how to interpret others' feelings in a real-life situation. Let's read the story about my friends at school and talk about it, said Teacher Phonekeo. Teacher Phonekeo is aware that relationship building in school begins with friendships. She hopes to instill good values of friendship to all her students. Teacher Phonekeo believes that appreciation of friendships is the key to a strong, inclusive community that respects individual strengths and accepts each other's weaknesses. With respect and acceptance, all students will be willing to help each other out and understand that everyone is uniquely different. An inclusive community prevents bullying and isolation too. Children, look at these pictures about friendship. Here we have things that a good friend does, and here we have things that a good friend doesn't do. Let's talk about how we can be a good friend to each other at school, said Teacher Phonekeo. An understanding of our friends help us to get along with them. To help Khamdy and his friends understand each other better, Teacher Phonekeo invites the class to play a game called We Have Something in Common. Every week, Khamdy and his friends have to go around the class and ask 5 friends what they liked. Then, they fill the answers in their worksheets. Every week, Teacher Phonekeo asks a few students to talk about their worksheets. My friend Somsu and I like sweet corns. Somsu like her corns grilled, while I like to eat steamed corns, said Khamdy. An important part of friendship is acceptance of individual differences. Teacher Phonekeo wants to highlight individual differences among her students and help them to respect these differences. A truly inclusive atmosphere offers everyone a safe platform to embrace their unique background and identity, while accepting that everyone does not necessarily have to look and behave the same. A truly inclusive learning environment promotes collaboration among students with different characters, interests, views, and learning pace. Somsu and I are the same because we have 2 eyes, said Khamdy. Khamdy and I are different. Because I am a girl, he is a boy. Teacher Phonekeo plans a simple activity to help her students identify differences among each other and accept these differences. She asks her students to sit in pairs and draw each other's faces on a paper. Then she asks them to describe how they are the same and how they are different. She also gets them to talk about ways to respect each other's differences. I like to read books about princesses, but Khamdy likes books about plants. We will help each other learn the names of the princesses and plants in our books, said Somsuk. Teacher Phonekeo wants to help her class establish a group identity so that the children can develop a positive self-perception of themselves and having a sense of belonging. This can help everyone, including Khamdy, to understand that they have each other's back. She identifies a few positive values for the class, including kindness, respect, teamwork, and tidiness. She reminds the students that they should help each other remember and show these values. Teacher Phonekeo asks her class to choose a special handshake to greet each other and a special gesture to cheer for each other. Every time the students meet, they greet each other with their special greeting handshake. Whenever someone makes an achievement, they cheer for their friends using the special cheer gesture. Good, Khamdy, good, 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 cheered all the students. Prosocial behaviours are social behaviours such as helping, caring, and volunteering. Khamdy lacks prosocial behaviours. He seldom takes the initiative to show concern for others, making his friends feel that he does not care about them. Sometimes he tries to help his friends, but his help may appear as inappropriate or awkward. Using role plays, Teacher Phonekeo helps Khamdy increase his awareness towards his friends' actions and feelings. They also practice how to show prosocial behaviours in different social situations with everyone in the class. Ouch! I fell down, said Somsuk. Somsu, are you alright? Are you hurt? Said Khamdy. Teacher Phonekeo notices that Khamdy does not know how to show kindness to others. To help him improve on this, she teaches Khamdy acts of showing kindness during special occasions, such as New Year celebration or someone's birthday. In the class, Teacher Phonekeo uses stories to talk about kindness. She guides the students to make special greeting cards to show their kindness to others. Khamdy makes a special friendship card for Somsuk. What card are you making, Khamdy? Asked Teacher Phonekeo. I am making a friendship card for Somsu, answered Khamdy.